are good pancakes.
I'll say I could eat 1,000,000 more. But there's no more maple syrup.
Oh no! What should we do?
Go to the store and get some more.
Or we can go right to the source.
Why, whatever do you mean?
No time to explain. Quick, follow me.
Care to explain now? Or is there still no time?
I don't understand. This tree is supposed to give me syrup.
Yeah? Well, how's that working out for you?
Maple syrup comes from maple trees. But I don't know how to get it.
Well, do you know anyone who does?
Well, that bottle of syrup came from Square Deal Farms. Let's go there.
Hi,
How are you, Mouse?
I'm Boog.
And I'm Shoog.
Who are you?
I'm Audrey Lewis.
Hi, Audrey.
You're pretty.
Why, thank you.
So, I have a question that I was told that you could answer. Is it true that syrup comes from trees?
No, it's not.
Ha! I told you it doesn't come from trees.
But I learned that maple syrup comes from maple trees.
Well, it does, kind of. Sap comes from trees, and syrup is made from sap.
What?
You're talking crazy talk.
Have you ever tried maple syrup? I'm sure you have.
Yes.
Are you kidding? We live off that stuff.
Sap is a little slightly sweet liquid. It's about 2% sugar, and the rest of it's pretty much water.
Water and sugar. I love that stuff.
Yeah, it gets even sweeter when you make it into syrup.
Tell me more.
Well, when you're making syrup, you have to boil it down, and that means we're evaporating some of the water. And so what was 2% sugar now becomes around 66% sugar.
Maple syrup.
So that's how you make maple syrup.
Well, it's a little bit more complicated than that, but that's the simplest way to think about it.
Wow, that's so cool. Thanks, Audrey. You're the best.
And so is Square Deal Farms maple syrup.
Nice plug, Shoog.
Thanks. Now let's get our syrup so we can finish breakfast.
Yay! Pancakes and syrup! Thanks, Audrey!
Bye.
Bye!
Enjoy!
That was great!
Oh, that was awesome, Boog.
Hey, everybody! Be sure to subscribe by pressing that circle with our faces on it.
Yeah, and after you subscribe, click on the rectangle to go to the next amazing Boog and Shoog video.
What a great idea!
Yay!